Skillibeng, lifestyle, music career, and net worth. Skillibeng, born Emwah Warmington on December 23, 1996, in St. Thomas, Jamaica, has emerged as one of the most influential voices in the dancehall music scene. His unique style, blending gritty lyrics with innovative beats, has made him a standout figure in modern Jamaican music. His music resonates with a younger generation seeking raw, unfiltered expressions of life in Jamaica's inner cities. Music career. Skillibeng's rise to fame began in 2019 with the breakout single Brik Pan Brik, a track that quickly gained popularity due to its catchy hook and street-savvy lyrics. His music often reflects his upbringing and experiences in St. Thomas, resonating with listeners who appreciate raw, authentic storytelling and hard-hitting lyrical content. The success of Brik Pan Brik positioned Skillibeng as a rising star in the dancehall genre. He continued to build momentum with hits such as Crocodile Teeth and Torpedo, both showcasing his lyrical dexterity and ability to create viral hits. His collaboration with global artists like Nicki Minaj on the remix of Crocodile Teeth further solidified his place on the international music stage. The track gained global recognition, earning millions of streams and expanding his fanbase beyond Jamaica. Skillibeng's discography includes the albums The Prodigy and The Prodigy, Ladies Only Edition, both demonstrating his versatility and ability to appeal to a diverse audience. His music explores themes of success, street survival, and personal struggles, making him relatable to fans across different backgrounds. Skillibeng is known for his streetwise persona, often reflecting his roots and experiences in his music. He maintains a low profile compared to other dancehall artists but occasionally showcases his lifestyle through social media, highlighting luxury vehicles, fashion, and travel. His style includes designer outfits and jewelry, reflecting his rise in the dancehall elite. Despite his fame, Skillibeng remains connected to his Jamaican heritage, often emphasizing the importance of staying true to one's roots and community. He frequently gives back to his hometown, supporting local initiatives and inspiring younger artists from St. Thomas to pursue their dreams. As of 2024, Skillibeng's estimated net worth is around $1.5 million, primarily derived from music sales, streaming revenue, and live performances. His collaborations with international artists and continued success in the dancehall genre have contributed significantly to his wealth. In addition to his music earnings, Skillibeng has monetized his brand through endorsements, merchandise sales, and digital content partnerships. Skillibeng's entrepreneurial mindset has also led him to explore brand partnerships and merchandise sales, further expanding his financial portfolio. His ability to balance artistic creativity with business acumen has made him a financially successful artist in the industry. Legacy and influence. Skillibeng has significantly influenced the modern dancehall scene with his distinct sound and lyrical prowess. He has inspired a new generation of artists to explore experimental beats and storytelling in dancehall music. His contribution to the genre includes not just chart-topping hits but also a fresh approach to musical production and delivery. As he continues to grow in his career, Skillibeng's impact on the genre remains undeniable, positioning him as a key figure in the evolution of contemporary Jamaican music. With his expanding global influence and commitment to his craft, Skillibeng is set to leave a lasting legacy in the dancehall scene for years to come.